Well, it's the 4th of July, 2009. This is the first day I put Trinity in the Johnny Jumper. And she seems to really like it, huh? Gonna jump around again? Come on, jump around. Where are you going? Where are you going, sweetheart? Jump, jump, jump. I love yours. Oh, where are you going? Smile. Where are you going? Hey, turn around and look at me. Hey, you. There we go. What? Who loves ya? Where you going? Yeah, why don't you look this way? Aw, you're so precious. What? Smile. Hi. Yes. Hey, Trinity. Trinity, look at mommy. Hey, where you going? Trinity. Babies. Hey. You gotta smile for the camera. Trinity. Hey. Hey. Hey, you. Hey. Say hi. Say hi. Say, I'm your baby. Say, I've never been in this jumper thing before. I kind of like it. Say, I'm almost 4 months old, huh? You really like this thing. Alright, I guess I better stop this.